Herbert Peabody and the Party People. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Our friends are visiting today. We are going to have a party. Let's get the decorations underway. First, we pick fresh flowers and herbs from the veggie patch. This green mint smells super fresh, and with our flowers makes a great match. Back inside to our crafting desk, and pictures of our friends here. We cut the pictures one by one, using scissors to cut the border near. Now it's time to get the glue. We spread it onto the back. Stick our picture to a toilet roll, securing the edges with tape like that. Our Henrietta decoration is ready. Herbie is next to do. We stick his picture down, and with Henrietta, makes two. Now it's time for Digby, and he makes number 3. Clementine makes number 4. Number 5, it's Ladybug we see. We cut out B, who is number 6. Worm makes number 7. Yay! Now it's time to take our fresh herbs and flowers to decorate everyone today. We take some of the beautiful flowers and push them in through the toilet roll like so. Everyone has a turn, and soon we are all ready to go. Now we take a sturdy tray and place everyone on carefully, and we make our way to the party table, where we decorate merrily. The party table is ready, and our guests are here. Hooray! And we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.